These ceiling-mounted speakers expand the sound in any room without taking up space. Take that 15th century proverb regarding children, they should be seen, not heard, and reverse it. Now you understand the appeal of ceiling-mounted speakers, they should be heard, not seen. The most interesting new use of ceiling-mounted speakers, however, is in man caves and recreational rooms. Pair ceiling-mounted speakers with a Bluetooth-capable receiver, and you can control what amounts to high-quality invisible sound from your phone. Stealth, indeed. There are many products available to choose the best ceiling speakers for you, each with different characteristics. To help you make informed and perfect decisions, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best ceiling speakers for you from reputable brands. After much research, I found these very helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Best overall. Focal Littora 1000 ICW 1010 in-wall in-ceiling two-way speaker for indoor and outdoor usage. Alright, we're cheating a bit here because the ceiling for which the Focal Littora is meant is the ceiling of a high-end yacht. That's why these speakers are IP65 waterproof. But there's no reason you couldn't use them as cost-no-object ceiling speakers in a serious business home theater installation. If you do, then you'll quickly realize why Focal's made in France high-end offerings have such a brilliant reputation. And if anyone asks why you chose them, just explain that you're a fan of yacht rock. Number 2. Best low-cost, full-range ceiling speakers. Definitive Technology Ueua Dice 6.5R Round In Ceiling Speaker Single. Definitive Technology, DefTech to the aficionados out there, has a well-earned reputation for maximum volume and maximum impact. The 6.5R upholds that rep and then some. It's capable of handling 200 watts, and when DefTech makes a statement like that, they are always conservative, yet it installs in a relatively compact enclosure. Expect to get a lot of sonic coverage from these, but make sure you bring enough amplifiers to the party. Number 3. Best multifunctional speaker. Focal 100 ICW 8 in-wall and ceiling two-way speaker each. Focal's high-end speakers are rightly praised, but the French company has mid-range offerings as well. The 100 ICW8 blurs the line between home theater and audiophile sound in a package that is sizable, yet can still fit in a 5-inch space above your ceiling. Frameless grille? That's the icing on the cake. Number 4. Best for integrated systems. SD6's Alu High Definition In-Ceiling 6.5 Aluminum Cone Speaker Pair. Sandavo's low-profile, 3.77 inches tall speaker is a good choice for affordably adding ceiling sound to existing integrated systems. It's meant to thrive with the low power supplied to rear channels by most all-in-one setups. Replacing your old cube or corner speakers with ceiling-mounted Sandavos is almost certain to be an improvement. Number 5. Best for 7.1.2 applications. ELAC Debut IC DT 61-watt Custom In-Ceiling Home Theater Speaker, Black. The ELAC speaker is designed from the ground up or the ceiling down for home theater use. With angled drivers to aim the sound where you want it and an internal crossover to prevent muddied sound from unplayable low frequencies, this is a dedicated speaker to enhance the effect of surround sound films and DVD audio soundtracks. It's not particularly compact, and it isn't designed for fuss-free installation, but the results should justify the effort. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my YouTube channel. Stay updated with our cool products, as it will make your life much easier. If you want to know the details of a particular product, please comment. Thanks for staying with Creation Tech.